Riaminela, rimetela matso, Jesu, udira Mabothakga. Riaminela, rimetela matso, Jesu, udira Mabothakga. So in Kuche Kuche vision, so I won't do my left bass on my left hand. So I will only use the ordinary bass for this EP, alright? Riaminela, rimetela matso, Jesu, udira Mabothakga. Riaminela, rimetela matso, so one of you requested this song, just udira Mabothakga, in key like F sharp and C sharp, alright? So I did it previously, but I used G sharp, alright? So I will now show you the song using G sharp, again F sharp and C sharp, alright? So it's just udira Mabothakga, alright? So the song starts right here. Riaminela. Remember, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're watching this from YouTube, or if you're watching this from Facebook or TikTok, go to my YouTube channel and check full video. If you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. So it starts right here. I'll start with G sharp, I'll go to F sharp and C sharp, alright? G sharp, Riaminela, ane rimetela matso, Jesu, udira Mabothakga. Riaminela, this one, then rimetela matso, Jesu, udira Mabothakga. It's like 1, 4, 1, then 1, 2, 1, then 4, 1, then you go to 5. So yeah, this is how it goes, if you doesn't want to play it in Kuche Kuche version. Okay, so you tell yourself that you want to play Mabothakga in Kuche Kuche vision. You'll say you'll start like here. Riaminela, rimetela matso, Jesu, udira Mabothakga. Like you get my point, Mas. So yeah, this is how it goes. So your bass line, it will say Riaminela, rimetela matso, Jesu, udira Mabothakga. So I hope you saw it's like Riaminela, rimetela matso, Jesu, udira Mabothakga. Then that's how it is. Riaminela, rimetela matso, Jesu, udira Mabothakga. Like so, this is a Kuche Kuche version, alright? So before any waste of time, let's go to F sharp, alright? So in F sharp, it starts right here. Rimetela matso, Jesu, udira Mabothakga. Like Riaminela, rimetela matso, Jesu, udira Mabothakga. This is F sharp, Mabothakga in F sharp, alright? Riaminela, rimetela matso, Jesu, udira Mabothakga. So let's try it in Kuche Kuche vision. So it will say Riaminela, like it will say Riamine Ela Rimetela Matonje Jesu Ramabutaha Riamine Ela like Riamine Ela Rimetela Matonje Jesu Ramabutaha. I hope you saw it. Riaminela, rimetela mato, Jesu mela, rimetela mato, Jesu diramabutaha. So I hope you saw it. So before any waste of time, so that part I would Mabothakga is like in A flat, ne? So in F sharp is like so I hope you got this. So before any waste of time, let's go to C sharp. Okay, so it's also simple in C sharp. It's like Ria Minela Rimetela Mato Jesu Diramabutaha Ria Mini this one. Then we go to this one, ne? Rimetela Mato Jesu Diramabutaha, ne? So in Kuche Kuche vision, so this is Kuche Kuche vision on Mabothakga, right? So I hope you also eat. Thank you for watching once more.